Urban One stock update. Okay guys, so I think it's finally time for an update video about some of these Juneteenth stocks. Okay, so Juneteenth, a very important holiday in the African American community, and that's one of the reasons why you're seeing some of these stocks basically on a tear right now. So so I mentioned in my previous video, I talked about my favorite Juneteenth stocks. Here are the 4 plays on the screen. So we have BYFC, Carve, and Urban One. So in this specific video, we're going to talk about Urban One because I think this one has the biggest upside. And there are a couple of things that took place on Friday, mainly a $200 million share offering. I saw a lot of people on Twitter kind of misinterpreting exactly what happened, and they're freaking out. So I want to explain exactly what a shelf offering is, how this is going to affect the stock, and why I'm still holding. Before I get into the video, guys, I want to remind you guys to please smash the like button if you enjoy this content. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And guys, we just hit 18,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I would like to hit 20,000 subscribers, hopefully at least by the end of this month or July. So if you guys enjoy my content, don't forget to subscribe so you receive video updates from me, and be sure to turn on the notifications bell if you want to get live updates, because we have a lot of these stocks that are popping off. So you guys will probably need to get updated right away, because we're going to see a lot of volatility heading into the summer. It's going to be a crazy summer for a lot of these meme stocks, a lot of these Juneteenth stocks. So be sure to stay tuned for more updates. Okay, so now let's talk about the biggest piece of news. So on Friday, there was a $200 million shelf offering by Urban One, and they filed a prospectus. Okay, they filed a form with the SEC on Friday detailing exactly what's going on. So as you can see here, I hope you guys can see this, but it says the Class A common stock, $200 million. Now, why is this left blank? Well, this is left blank for a couple of reasons, guys. Okay, a shelf offering is a little bit different from a secondary offering or a regular stock offering. So basically what they're saying is that they are basically getting the paperwork out of the way so they are able to sell some stock at the market in the future. And to give you guys a more kind of comprehensive definition, as you can see here, it says a shelf offering is a sale of stock by a company over time. And it says, why does a shelf offering matter? Shelf offerings give the company a flexibility to get the paperwork out of the way now, and then offer the shares only when they need the cash or only when the market conditions are good. They also signal to investors that the company intends to raise capital for future projects, possible acquisitions, or maybe to refinance something. So basically, that's exactly what a shelf offering is. Now, a shelf offering will dilute the shares, okay? So if we have a $200 million offering, it's going to dilute the shares a considerable. But I'm going to explain to you guys why this is a reason not to panic and why I'm still bullish on this stock up until June 18th. Okay, and the simple reason is, if you take a look here, we can take a look at some of the information here. So it says as June 4th, it says there are approximately 7.3 million shares of Class A stock with a value of $95 million, guys. So why did Urban One propose this shelf offering? Well, I'm going to tell you guys why. The reason why they proposed this stock offering is because they know we're going to send it to the moon again. So that's what I said in my tweets, and this is exactly what I think. So if we take a look back here at last year during the Juneteenth pop, Urban One reached an all-time annual, not an all-time high, because actually this stock was trading over almost $100 like 22 years ago. If we back up, you guys have kind of a long-term look. You can see here the stock was trading at like $100 way back in the late 90s, okay, 1999. But more recently, the stock was at a 52-week high last year of as high as $50, okay, right around June 18th. June 19th was the biggest pop. So the reason why they're proposing the shelf offering now is because they know we're going to send the stock to the moon on Juneteenth. So they're just getting ready. I think maybe last year they were a bit caught off guard. Now they're prepared. So they filed the shelf offering literally a week in advance, and they need money to basically help fund the casino. Okay, they just got approved for first black-owned casino in the United States of America, and they're going to need money to fund that casino and to fund other future projects. Maybe they'll open a second one. We don't know, but don't freak out over this. Okay, we had a huge green candle. Everything is lining up for a massive increase in volume. We just did around the volume was around 37 million shares. I'm not selling. I'm not. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys what to do, but I'm not selling yet. I'm still going to be holding probably up until June 18th, probably sometime during the trading day on June 18th, intraday, I will be exiting my position at the top of the market, selling into strength. So I would say don't worry about this shelf offering. They're just getting prepared because they were probably caught off guard last year. I'm still bullish about the stock, and I don't blame them for trying to sell some of this stock when it's trading at a super high price. It's good business practice. We saw AMC do it. We saw GME do it, GameStop. Nothing wrong with that, guys. Business as usual. So like I said, please subscribe to my channel for more future updates. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And I'm really excited for some of these Juneteenth stocks. It should be epic, guys. Be sure to say subscribe and follow me on Twitter as well. You can find the link in the description below to follow me on Twitter for more real-time updates. So that's it till next time, guys. Take care.